and all. Today I'm going to teach track the label and text fields. So increase the size a little bit for this window. So this one I'm going to press delete key on your keyboard and delete that. Drag one label. One label I'm going to drag. Right click. Here I'm going to edit text. I'm going to name it as name. This one I'm going to name it as name. So select this one. Right click properties. The foreground color I'm going to choose foreground color. Choose as white. Click OK. Close it. The same one, select again, right click properties, font color 24, I'm going to select as 24. Same label, control C to copy, control V to paste and get another copy. This one I'm going to think as name. This one should be phone number. Phone. We have a two fields, right? So we have a two fields. After that, I'm going to drag two text fields for these labels. So it is two text fields. First text field, you have drag it. Edit text, backspace to remove the existing text. Select this one, right click, properties. We have to text bold with 80, right? If you have done the one text field, rather than drag it in another one, you just Control C to copy and Control V to paste below and get another copy. Over here I'm going to take this size a little bit, look like this. So here, what I'm going to do is, right, now then select this one, change variable here, txt name. This one select here, right click. We have to give the name of each text fields. Then only we will be understand which text field you are typing, right? So we have a easy to understand. We get easy to understand, so that we have to assign the name of each text fields. We have two fields. So first field, right click and change variable. I already write it txt name. This is the called as camel case. First you have to type here as simple letter. After that I'm going to write as capital letter. You have to write it. This is called as camel case. Right click, change variable txt phone. Press enter key. Right. We have successfully gave two text fields names. Right. So when you click the button, I want to display text on this text field. Now if you run the application, check how the output will be. You can see the output. Okay, perfectly it will display the output. You can see the output. Now here, if I click the button, I want to display the, instead of I message, I want to display the name and phone number. Right, you will be able to write the name here and everything. Now first I'm going to select the button, right click, event, action perform. Instead of the message box, you have to comment it in Java, or write like this. This is a comment. This is how you comment it in Java. Right. Now, what I'm going to do is, we already set the name txt name dot. There is a property called get text. Here, this text field I'm going to assign to the one variable. So how to get the variable in Java? You already know. String name equal, we have to equal this one. What is the name you are type on this text field? This name will be assigned to this name variable. The same thing we have to write in the, copy this one, Control C, copy, Control V, paste here, txt phone. You will be, if you want to write in integer, you will be able to write it here. No problem. This is a phone. Because here I am not doing anything else. If you want to write the integer, this phone number also integer, no. So if you feel to like integer, you will be able to write. You have to write the data type int. If you write as integer, you have to convert them in Java. You can't directly write it. How to convert them? Integer dot parse int. Then only you will be able to write it. That's it. Now, what's the phone number you are typing? It assigns this variable. What is it's assigned to this variable, right? That's the thing we have to display over here, right? So here what I'm going to do is it will be passing to the J option pan. So this is our message box. So I'm going to comment this one, you have to get it there. We're passing to the message box. So how to pass this one? You have to write here, this is the first null, second one the message you have, what is the message you are passing, right? Hi, this is a title. So here instead of hi, I'm going to passing this variable and check name. I'm going to display as a name variable, name. Now let's run and check what will the output. I am not display the only name John. Click OK, but it's not displaying. No, it is keep on running. The application is running. Here the JVMs is running, that's why. So right click, I'm going to run the file, something like that. This message board is not working. Why? Instead of you have to pass some message and check. Message box not working, so that what you are going to do is, why is the message is not displaying? Okay, we have to write here name here space, write like this, name space phone, get this number. So I write like this, type name phone number, right? It's working. The problem is here I have, here if I wrote, I'm not only give the name only, phone number I haven't given. Okay, so here how to write in our J option pan, you have to write this, these are variables. So name, I want to display the name, this name you have display along with the phone number. So how to write the phone number, we need a space, so we have to write concatenate operator, you have to write plus, you have to write space like this. Again you have to write a concatenate operators. Here we have a phone number, you have to write like this. That's it, that's the thing you have to write. After that comma, sorry, right. Now you will be able to check what the output will be. Name Rajesh, phone number, something like that. Enter key, here it's working. Number Rajesh, phone number is this. Instead of that, what you are going to do is, I want to display the phone number the next line. What you are going to do is, here I am going to write your name is, your name is, here also you have to write plus symbol. So your name, your concatenates with the name, what's the name you are typing on this text field, it is display here. Phone number, what's the phone number you are typing here, this one also you have to write. If here you have to write the next line. Okay, next line on the statement, right? Next line instead of the next line. Okay, now after that, here also we have to write your phone number is, phone number is, phone number is, you write down your phone number is. So you write you have to use the concatenate operator, the plus. That's it. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Click button. The first name is John. Phone number, you can check, you type like this. Here your name is John, your phone number is this. So here also a simple modification, your name equal, then it will be easily find it right here. Your name equal, we have a right So now let's check whether it's showing fine or not. John 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here, your name is John, your phone number is this, right? This is simple programming we have to write in Java. Okay, this simple application, right? So what is the value you type on the text field? It will be click OK button. It will display on the message box successfully, right? It is straight line. It will be printing. If you get the value in next line, you have to write like this. This is the meaning of next line. It's end, right? Okay. This is the next line, right? So this is very must. If you know this one, this all are must, right? If you have any queries, you can just let me know that whether it's fine or not.